Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to restore old wood furniture textures in Photoshop. Zoom into the damaged wood area, then select clone stamp tool with medium hardness. Now hold Alt to sample good wood grains. Brush along the direction of the wood lines. Switch between light and dark grains. Resample frequently for natural textures. Now add deep grain shadows by cloning darker area. Highlight edges using lighter samples. Blend naturally dark transition with low opacity stroke. Fix knots or dents carefully. Zoom out to check wood consistency. The furniture now looks